Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Prattster here, doing another video today, guys, rectifying the loudness on my exhaust system. So let me explain. I'm 75% sure that there's a blow on the exhaust system somewhere, so obviously that needs sorting out anyway. But secondly, a while ago, I think it was about 8 months now, I did a video about the new exhaust system that I made at RJ Performance, and it was great. But over the course of this last year or so, I've kind of slowly just, you know, grown out of the ASBO life. I'm no longer a massive fan of just having an ASBO exhaust and whatever else. So I've decided that I'm going to rectify that, and I'm going to have a Midbox put into the exhaust system, just to try and take that droneness away. When I'm daily driving, I don't want anything loud in my ears anymore. If I'm giving it the beans and I'm hitting VTEC, then yeah, that's fine, I'm not too fussed about that. But in terms of just daily driving, low RPM, I'm happy with just a little purr or something coming out the back end. But on top of that, it's, you know, it's lacking a bit of deep tone as well. It's gonna be, I don't know if that's just because of the blow that I think I've got. I mean, it's gonna be awkward if I get there now and I haven't got a blow, but I'm, like I said, I'm 75% sure there's a blow in there somewhere. Okay then, guys, so I will be heading down to RJ Performance today. They're the people who do my exhaust system, so who better to go to than the guys who fabricated it to begin with. So yeah, guys, let's just crack on with the video, and yeah, see you there. Exhaust is done. I can't get a drive-by, unfortunately, but I'm gonna try and I'll get one. I'll set the camera up and try and get one of it just idling and giving it a few revs, just so people get the idea. But I'll put a clip in as well of me driving it just. I forgot how good it was to hear VTEC over your exhaust system. Like, that is what it's about. That is what these engines are about. That's what these cars are about. Hearing VTEC scream. I've missed that. I really have missed that. So yeah, guys, I'll put some clips in now, but I'm sorry I can't get a drive-by in right now. But maybe in the short future we'll definitely get one up for sure. I hope this does it the justice, guys. Tell you one thing, guys, I forgot how good it was to hear VTEC over your exhaust. Christ. So that will be everything for this video, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you for bearing with me whilst I've been for like 3 months I haven't loaded a video. Well, I explained all that in the video anyway. But yeah, guys, thank you ever so much. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for showing the support. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see on the channel, because we've got a whole year ahead of us now. 2020 is going to be big. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and peace.